Hi, welcome to SD4 Solutions Private Limited. Here I'm just going to explain the project for the FPGA implementation of modified Canny edge reduction algorithm. So this algorithm especially usually we will implement it in the MATLAB. Here we are combining the MATLAB and as well as VLSI design. So that is what the uniqueness in this project. So basically the image will converted with the help of MATLAB as a text file. So and then the text file will be loaded in the Verilog codes, and after the Verilog codes it should be executed with the help of ModelSim software, and then the file will be again giving the text file as output, that is Canny edge detected output file will be stored in the text file. So that file will be converted back into the image. So this is what the basic one line concept in the project. So here for that FPGA implement for this concept, we will be implementing here. So here the block diagram of the Canny edge reduction algorithm. So first the input image we are giving. So the input image will be in the step 1, it will be divided into the horizontal and vertical gradient values, and then gradient magnitude and gradient directions will be find it out, and based on that non-maximal suppressions will be done. Then the compute the high and low threshold values. Based on the high and low threshold values, that high stress thresholding is happening, then edge detected output will come to the outside. So this is what the concept we are implementing. So here I'm just showing you the next one, like I'm just showing you the initial PPT, like what we are preparing. So that comes under like a zeroth review material. So in this zeroth review material, basically we will conduct we will be implementing like objective, motivations, and the literature survey and the block diagram. So this is what the block diagram I explained it, and the explanations also we gave here, and the edge reduction how it should be done. So the Canny edge reduction how it should be done, that part we are explained here. The Canny edge reduction algorithm we explained here, conclusion we gave here, and this reference also we gave here. So this is the initial zeroth review material, and then the code part will be there. So here the code part we are implementing in the two way. One is like a normal Canny edge reduction algorithm, another one is like proposed Canny edge reduction algorithm. So both the things we are implemented, and we just comparing the area delay power analysis using Xilinx ISE simulator tool also. So this usually we will implement it in the programming like in the MATLAB. So the MATLAB extension will be .m. We just stored in the .m file. So it's opening in the MATLAB. Any version you can use, like I am using like MATLAB 2014. Okay, you can use like any versions, like it should be supported in the all the platforms. So here we are writing the MATLAB file, and after that like we will be writing a separate file for the Canny introduction algorithm also, and Canny test bench file also we should write. So the main file will be executed with the help of the test bench file. So that test bench file only interfaced with the MATLAB code. So here the MATLAB file be getting open. So once the file is getting open, just run the MATLAB. So once you run the MATLAB, it's asked to load the input image. So you can choose any kind of input image. So I'm just choosing the input image. You can choose the any image format like TIFF.png or like JPEG. Any kind of images you can take. So once you just load the image, the input image will be converted into the color into the gray, and the gray image will be resized it, and after resize the image, it will be doing the process of the Canny edge detection. So that Canny edge detection will be applied in the two platform, one is like MATLAB and another one is like VLSI. So in the VLSI, the code will be that basic image conversion, text file conversion is happening here, and after that the file will be loaded in the Verilog code. So the Verilog code will be interfaced with the HDL daemon based software. So based on that, the ModelSim will be executed now. So this process is going here. So that's why it's showing like busy option here. So once this processes get completed, so the input VLSI part will execute. So ModelSim is executing here. So once the ModelSim is get open, so the waveform will be generated from the ModelSim. So initially it's loading the Canny TB, and after that the Canny main file also will be loaded. So the edges will be detected. The edges will be, the minimum edges is 0 and maximum edges is 255. It's just finding the edges, and after finishing this project it will be just getting closed. So if you are giving no, it will be not closed, and then you can verify the waveform. So in the waveform you can see IM11, it's a text file, image 11, image pixel 1, and image 112, image 33. These are all the input images, and in the bottom you will be having the IM1132, IM112, IM33. So that and all, it's output images. So based on that we will be getting the output. So these image pixels only will load it. So it's not only load for the one position, it will be loading for the all the image pixels, like what we are loading the input image. So if you are loaded 256 cross 256 image, so those many pixels will be loaded. So if you take, like, instead of that 256, if you take like 8 cross 8 image, 8 into 8 total 16 pixels will get loaded. So similar way it should be getting the output. So after that, like, we will be getting the waveform here. So once you just get the waveform, then you directly go to the MATLAB and just click enter here. You will be getting the edge detector output. So this is the modified Canny edge detection algorithm. So already we have the results for the Canny edge detection algorithm. So based on that, we should verify it, we should identify which method is better. So for that purpose we will be preparing the documentation. So this is the computer simulation, and we are preparing the documentation also. So in this documentation, like, I'll show you that. In this final document, like, we will be preparing all the contents like abstract, introduction, literature survey, model separation, like that, all the details from the beginning we will be prepared it, and after that the block diagram, model explanations, and everything will give it here. And once this explanation is completed, hardware requirement, software requirement, those details and all will be available. So after that, the synthesis results and simulation results and all will be provided here. So this is the simulation results we are providing here. So once the simulation result is completed, we will be moved into the area optimization and delay optimization by the layering software. So that part also we show it here. So this is the complete simulation results, and after the simulation results, like, we have the synthesis results from here. So this is the area delay calculation. So this area delay calculation will provide the better results for our project. So we will be justifying our design, like which method is better. So the proposed one, how much it is the area and delay, and the modified one, how much it is the delay and power. So that under area and delay we will be find it here. So that based on the calculation we plot the graphs also over here, and after that the Xilinx report will be generating the optical schematic and as well as the technological schematic and everything. So those things under we displayed it here. So these are all the complete results for this project, and I just gave the conclusion and reference of the project here. So the next thing, like, we will be just displaying the output. So here, like, the modification part is also done, and after that we are providing the services like that. So code and feature enhancement, final documentation, PPT, online support, and paper writing thesis for support and international conference, everything will provide here. So our specialized domain are Java, NS2, VLSI, MATLAB, image processing, communication, all transfer system, and embedded system. So thank you very much for watching the video, and subscribe us.